Getting lost in Japanese train stations? Let's fix that. Step 0. Plan your route. Use Google Maps. Google Maps shows exactly what you see at the station. Just match the information. Step 1. Get an IC card like Suica. If you're taking trains in Japan, this is the easiest way. You can get it at the machine. First, select English. You can choose a registered or unregistered card. Choose the amount. Pay and get your card. This is the easiest way to travel in Japan. Press this button to cancel or call the staff here. You'll use this everywhere. One card. Everything. Step 2. Ticket gate. You can go through here. Green means go. You can also use tickets here. Some gates are IC card only. Tap your IC card here. Let's go. You can check your balance here. Step 3. Check the display. Follow the line color on Google Maps. Go to the same platform number. Signs are everywhere in the station. Just follow them. Take the train from the same platform number as Google Maps. If you're not sure, check the signs on the platform. Step 4. Board the train. Let people off first, then get on. These are priority seats. If you don't need it, avoid sitting here. You can find useful information above the doors. Check the next station. Check transfer information. You can also see the best car for your exit. You can also see which side the doors will open. Everything you need is here. After you get off, look for the signs. If it doesn't match Google Maps, don't follow it. Not this one. There it is. This way. If it matches, go this way. This mark means green car. You need an extra ticket. Check the floor markings before you board. Head to your destination. Step 5. Get off the train. When you arrive, look for the signs. Check where you are. Then find your exit. Follow the signs to the exit. Don't worry if you see an error. It's usually low balance. Go to a fare adjustment machine. Tap Charge. Place your card here. Check your balance. Choose an amount. Insert cash. Wait a moment. Take your card. Try again. You're through. You made it. Follow the signs. You won't get lost.